What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove any smells from your car's AC air conditioning system. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright, let's get to it. First thing we'll do is come over to the passenger side of our car. We'll open our glove box, and if you press in on each side, it's going to push in on tabs, and you can go ahead and lower the whole drawer. Stay. And if you look back behind it, there's a little cover right here. We can go ahead and pull off this little plastic cover. Then there'll be a little drawer with our cabin air filter, or it'll just be the filter by itself. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. You're gonna wanna change this about once every year. And this could be the only problem causing those smells in your ventilation system. So we'll go ahead and just take this out, and then we'll take our new one. I like to go ahead and write the date and the mileage on the new one, and you're gonna put that in just the same way you took it out. If you look on the side, it's gonna say airflow. If it says that, you want that little arrow pointed down. If it just has an arrow that says this side up, you're gonna want that arrow pointed up. If you wanna get really fancy, put a few drops of essential oil on this. We'll slide it back in, and we'll snap that little plastic cover back on. Squeeze the sides, and then we can go ahead and close up our glove box. I'll make sure I put some links down in the description to the filters and the other tools and supplies I'm using today for you guys. Now we're gonna go ahead and turn the car on. We'll turn our air conditioning on, take the recirculate off, and we're gonna turn the fan all the way on high. And go ahead and roll down all your windows. Now what kind of spray are we gonna be using? Any type of Lysol disinfectant sanitizing spray is fine. Doesn't matter if it's generic brand. Now if we look right below the windshield, these are our fresh air intake vents. We're gonna take our can and we're gonna start spraying inside those vents, and that's gonna suck the Lysol in through our AC vents. Do it on both sides. That's gonna take it all the way through all the venting system and blow it through all of our vents. So you can go ahead and switch to the feet and to the defrost cycle too, so you get it through all the different vent channels. We're just gonna do it a few times on both sides, just to really get that through the whole system. And then just let it keep running and air out with the windows open. You'll know it's working when you come inside. You can smell it coming through all your vents. Okay, so you're just gonna wanna do that about 5 times. And then lastly, if you're driving with your AC on, right before you get somewhere, go ahead and turn the AC off with the fan on high, and then just let it run. And what that's gonna do is that's gonna let any moisture that's in the system dry out before you get to your place, so it doesn't create any mildew or mold. Alright guys, and that's it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell. That way you can get my new videos. Thanks for watching, Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself, guys. Take care.